Kito has been a leader in the material handling industry. Currently, Kito is pushing forward with its business to truly become the #1 global hoist manufacturer. How have we come here? Where do we go from here? We will review the history of Kito at the milestone of our 80th anniversary since the foundation. Did you know? Kito enjoys a high reputation as a trusted choice of industry worldwide for its exceptional quality, durability, and safety. We will show how Kito has won the trust around the world and look back at the company's history and the people who built a shared vision with Kito. In 1932, Kito was founded in a small engineering factory in Tokyo, Japan. When it was founded, Kito was producing made-to-order winches, plate conveyors, pumps, automobile charcoal gas units under the leadership of the founder, Miyoshi Kito. One day in 1934, Kito received a request from the technical advisor of a railway car manufacturer. The request was to improve the quality of material handling equipment and the efficiency of their manufacturing. That is, it was to develop a completely brand new product. Kito can make it better. With this confidence in Kito, the technical advisor requested Kito to build a chain hoist with the 3 requirements of compactness, lightweight, and durability. Miyoshi and his staff started to develop a new product based on a German-made chain hoist that was cutting edge at that time. However, further improving the leading-edge product was more difficult than they imagined, and they could not make the desired progress. They were at a loss as to how to break the deadlock, but continued the development out of the sheer desire to meet the customer's needs. 3 years later, in 1937, Kito successfully developed an innovative chain hoist by changing the conventional cast metal body to a steel plate body. Kito continued to make improvements to the chain hoist, which came to be distributed across the globe. This was the origin of Kito's manufacturing philosophy.
今のキトから比べたら本当の町工場的な感じでね、割合ね、自動機械加工するためのね、自動的な機械はね、進んでたっていうかね、採用してそれをね作ってたんですよ。その点はね、優秀な会社だったんですよ。そういう面では社長自身がエンジニアですから、で自分でも設計したりね、社長が中之島の工場のそばに家があった、社宅っていうかなんかあったんですけどね、そこに住んでてね、アイデアが浮かぶと夜でも夜中でも飛んできてね、会社来てねやってたっていう話はねよく聞きましたよ。技術的なことに関しては先代の三好さんは実力もあったし、考え方もね進んでましたよね。はい。
In 1947, Kito developed a lever hoist, the first of its kind in Japan. Kito adopted link chain in place of roller chain and used a free chaining technology which allowed the rewinding of chains at high speed. Sales of the lever hoist increased rapidly thanks to the coal mining boom in Japan. The lever hoist became Kito's leading product following its hand chain hoist.
ครับมีสีสันที่สวยงามนะครับคงทนแข็งแรงครับผม
レバーブロックはキト独自の融点機構による操作性の良さ、また自社開発の高強度チェーンの採用によりさまざまな作業環境で使いやすく安全にご使用いただける製品です。
Durable piece of equipment, occasionally when you do have some problems, easy to tear apart and reassemble and fix the problems that may occur with it from time to time.
In 1951, Miyoshi visited the US to see the latest manufacturing technology. There, he found a product which would further spread the name of Kito. That was electric chain hoist. Convinced of the coming of the electrification era, Miyoshi began making electric chain hoists immediately after his return to Japan. However, he encountered numerous problems in making electric parts. In particular, it was difficult to develop a heat-treated chain which is lightweight, high strength, and wear-resistant. In April 1958, the first electric chain hoist, Model 57, was finally made as a result of the company's indomitable resolve despite financial difficulties 7 years after Miyoshi's visit to the US in 1951. This product gained huge popularity soon after its release. Later, in 1961, Kito developed a much lighter, simplified traveling crane by removing the driver's cabin and established an innovative technology, standardizing the end carriage, once a made-to-order product only.
過酷な現場でタフに使える製品です。
コンパクトなデザイン性、作業効率の向上につながる操作性、耐久性に優れている点です。
I like to think one of the main reasons is the product itself. Every little detail is thought out on because of quality hoist that someone can rely on.
Miyoshi had another purpose to visit the US in 1951. It was to set up a business base in the US. He had intended to expand the business globally before he visited the US, and Kito opened its first overseas office in Chicago in 1967. Later, in 1970, Kito changed the company name from Kito Manufacturing Company to Kito Corporation. At the same time, Kito integrated manufacturing and sales into one company and established a more robust business system. Through these efforts, Kito survived a tempestuous period of dollar crisis, oil crisis, and strong yen in the 1970s. As of 1981, Kito was exporting to more than 50 countries and working with over 60 overseas sales agents. Kito's steady growth continued for global business. Our business is committed to customer satisfaction. Kito found overseas partners who shared this vision. Kito welcomed these partners and worked with them towards the same future goal. The first partner was Harrington Hoists, Inc., one of the most time-honored companies in the US. In 1990, Kito joined forces with Harrington Hoists, Inc., which was trying to transform itself into an importer and seller. Kito's challenge to enter the US market was successful.
Harrington Hoist is one of the oldest, most established hoist and crane suppliers in the United States.
Harrington supports Kito's quality endeavors with unparalleled customer service.
Well, it boils down to one main concept, and that's customer focus. We seek out and listen to the voice of the customer, and then we incorporate that voice of the customer in everything we do. This way, customers never have to wait for any kind of help they may need with our product.
Kito further continued more global expansion. It founded Kito Canada in 1993 and Jiangyin Kito in China in 1995, jointly with Jiangyin Crane Mechanical Factory, a leading manufacturer in China where remarkable economic growth was progressing. Jiangyin Kito grew significantly through cooperation between the two companies. In 2002, it achieved #1 sales in Asia. To increase manufacturing capacity, Kito further founded Kito Philippines in 1996. and in 1997, Siam Kito in Thailand, a promising market in Southeast Asia. Siam Kito is capable of designing and manufacturing hoists and cranes.
ค่ะสำหรับบริษัทสยามคิโต้บริษัทสยามคิโต้นับเป็นบริษัทหนึ่งที่มีคุณภาพในการมุ่งเน้นพัฒนาบุคลากรของเราอะค่ะให้มีศักยภาพในการตอบสนองต่อความพึงพอใจของลูกค้าให้ดีที่สุดอะค่ะ
这是我们公司每个员工都必须自觉做到的，所以我们每个员工都意识到自己的责任与职责，自觉遵守职业道德，在工作中每个细节上都把保证质量作为第一要求。
เป็นบริษัทที่มีมาตรฐานนะครับค่าที่ดีในการทำงานที่ดีนะครับและเราพัฒนานะครับการผลิตนะครับต่อเนื่องอยู่เรื่อยนะครับ
Kito is pursuing a new growth scenario, focusing on global business expansion to make the next leap forward. In order to establish a well-balanced market presence in Asia, America, and Europe. Kito founded Shanghai Kito in China in 2004 and Kito Europe in Germany in 2006. As a result, Kito received orders from precision equipment industry and renewable energy industries, attracting attention from companies across the globe. Kito held the first Kito Global meeting to connect the group companies. The companies pledged mutual cooperation through various measures so that Kito will become the most reliable hoist manufacturer in the global market and the truly #1 global hoist manufacturer. In spite of the impact of the subsequent worldwide recession and strong yen effect on the business, Kito has never stopped pursuing its mission for our customers since establishment. The Kito Group received an order from a Russian manufacturing factory for the first time. An order for hoists to be used at a nuclear power station in China. And an order for many types of cranes from Japanese air carrier, All Nippon Airways. The Kito Group has made group-wide efforts and offered various solutions to customers. As a result of these measures, Kito's international business further expanded. Kito founded Kito Korea in 2008, acquired Armcell in 2010, and founded Kito do Brazil and Kito Indonesia in 2011.